Hi guys, my name is Ada Patrice Singh and I am an 8th grade homeschooler. And today I will be teaching you how to make a Flappy Bird-like game on Python with 6 easy steps. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that you can use to create sites, softwares, and more. In order to create this game, we must use a Python library called PyGame. We can install this by inputting the code pip install PyGame on your terminal. For the first step, we'll start off by importing libraries. We will also import a library to set random heights for the obstacles. Next, we will set the height and width for the screen to which the game will be played. After that, we'll define our images, such as the images for the obstacles, the character sprite, and the background. Note that you can choose different images and themes for this game. It isn't just limited to a bird. Step 2. We'll now initialize the PyGame. As you can see here, we'll also set the codes for the title, the loading of the images, and the displaying of the score. Now that we have that settled, it's time to proceed to step 3, setting the position and loops. We'll first set the position of your bird or character sprite. For this, we'll use the variables horizontal and vertical. Next, we'll set the loops for the keys used in-game. Step 4. This is where we'll set the random heights for our obstacles. We'll make this code to make the pipes or obstacles on the top or bottom of the screens to have different heights by making it choose at a random from 0 to a number. We are nearly done. It's step 5. It's time to create the game over function. This game should stop when the sprite comes into contact with the floor or the obstacles. This code will check if the sprite will hit the objects or if the sprite is still above the sea level or the floor. Lastly, we'll be creating our main function that will contain the following things: creating the obstacles, creating 2 lists for the upper and lower obstacles, and adding the maximum and minimum sprite velocity. Then we'll handle the key events using pygame.event.get. And after that, it'll check whether it's game over for the player. Next, it'll check your score and display and update it every time you pass a new obstacle. It will also add and remove the obstacles each time you pass by one. We'll be now splitting our images and finally setting the frames per second. And then you're done! You have your very own Flappy Bird using Python. And this is my result. I changed the images to a dragon in a fiery domain. You can get creative with yours too. Make it be a flying car or bat or whatever possible creations you can make. Thanks so much for listening and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye!